Hey guys, today we are printing something completely different. So this is actually a practical 3D print. As you can see here, very unusual shaped thing, but believe it or not, this actually has a pretty cool purpose. And we've got two of them and a third one here. So the third one is terrible. It's very, very flexible, rubbish. And the other two are kind of playing around with different stuff. So one's got partial infill, the other one's hollow, but I put ribs on it to see if it would give it more stability. And the infill's better overall. But this is actually what it is. This is prototype probably number 3 here we're pulling out. And it just holds my plug in behind, well, this is IKEA furniture, so there's actually a little hole there, and it just holds the plug in a position, which is really cool for plugging stuff in and out, and kind of keeps the sockets out of the way. So I'm not going to share this 3D print because, of course, you need the right socket and all that for it, and you can easily design this thing yourself if you want to give it a go. But yeah, this is the current version, which doesn't work. It works, but it's not exactly great. You can see very loose fit in here. So I came in with the next design and have a listen to this fit. This is amazing. And that is the precision of 3D printing. I'm amazed at how precise you can get. Here's the next one. Like, that's just phenomenal. Like, to get it that good, it is crazy. So you can see it just slips in right in here and goes into that hole in the back of the IKEA furniture and simply holds it in place. And because you can get the sizes so perfect, it's a beautiful pressure fit and it's incredibly stable. Now I do think I'll keep messing around with this and play around with the kind of options and the infill and the design to make it more rigid. You can see on the previous versions, you can tell that it's warped over time with the weight, but those were definitely not made as stable as the new ones. But certainly I think the same thing can still be done with the new one. We can definitely put more support areas in to give those bits that are bending way more support. So I'll come back and I'll redo it in the future, but of course I'm not going to make a video about that. This was just how it's currently going with this, and it's really quite cool to just mess around with this stuff.